Oh man, 10 miles an hour in a soft sand. Let me try. I have no helmet on. I have nothing, guys. I mean, if I fall over here, probably sea shit is gonna kill me. Again, one more time. We're gonna go and check it out. 7, 10, 11. Yeah, I would just go 11 miles an hour. Can't really push the limit. I mean, that's good enough. I mean, it's quick. 11 miles an hour. I mean, this little guy here, I don't know about you guys, but for me, that's fast. I'm talking about, you know, here's one more time. Oh yeah, that's good enough. No helmet on, so this is a soft sand, guys. It's crazy, but I'm trying to go as fast as I can riding this thing. But you got a quick pickup. I mean, you got a quick pickup. So it's, oh, like I said, it's good enough. I mean, you know, you don't want to kill yourself with this thing. You don't want to get no $30,000 injury. You know, you just go on one place to another. You know, you're not really gonna go stunting. You know,
So that's my experience riding the S-Max on the soft sand. You can go ahead and see, of course, riding the go-kart, the max I can go is probably 23 to 24 on this one. And of course, you don't really feel the speed. You're gonna feel the acceleration. And that's about it. I mean, in my opinion, I think it's fast enough. I mean, I don't think you want to, you know, ride it around standing up, you know, going like 20 miles an hour. Of course, in a unicycle, you can do it because it's a one wheel. But having two wheels on both sides, you know, you're going so much fast. And then if you just turn a little bit, you can curb and hurt yourself. So both motor of this is 4,800 watts cooled motor, you would say. I mean, it has plenty power. I mean, would be interesting if Segway throw in a firmware update that, you know, you can actually go faster, but it can. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think about this S-Max, not from Ninebot, and that's about it. I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.